So here's how to promote Temu affiliate items with Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to select your affiliate products. Choose Temu affiliate products that are relevant to your store's niche and appeal to your target audience. Set up your Shopify store if you don't have already. Customize it to match the branding and style of Temu products. Add the Temu affiliate products to your store. You can do this by creating individual product listings or collections that features Temu items. Write compelling and informative product descriptions. Highlight the benefits and features of the Temu products, addressing how they solve problems or fulfill needs. Use high quality images of the Temu products. Clear and attractive images can significantly impact the purchasing decision of your customers. Create engaging content that showcases the Temu products. This can include blog posts, videos, or social media posts that provide value and information related to the products. Integrate your Temu affiliate links into your product listings and content. These links will track sales generated through your store. Optimize your product listing and content for search engines. Use relevant keywords related to the Temu products to increase organic traffic. You can also create urgency in the buyers by running limited time offers for discounts on Temu products. This can encourage quicker purchasing decisions. Regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Track which strategies are generating the most sales and adjust your approach accordingly. So that's how to promote Temu affiliate items with Shopify.